This How to 1 Minute will show you how to convert TS video into MP4 with VLC media player. First of all, open your VLC media player and click on Media. Click on Convert, Save. Click on Add. And now select the video which you want to convert into MP4. Click on Open and click on Convert. And in the settings section, we need to create a new profile. So click on this icon. And here select MP4/MOV and click on Video Codec. And check the video box here. And click on this codec drop down and select H.264 and click on bitrate and select here not used and give here a profile name and then click on create and click on this profile drop down and select the profile you just created. Now click on browse and select a folder where you want to export the MP4 and click on save and click on start. And that's how we can convert a TS video into MP4 with VLC. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.